All right, so we're back today. We got parts in, specifically this fuel maker happener right here, this carb. We're gonna try to get this truck running today. We're gonna try to look at that Jeep today. And possibly some other stuff. We'll see if it makes it in the video. And also, for everyone that asked, that coupler's in there. You want to see it work? It's in there. It made it. So let's get to trying to get this carb on, trying to get this thing running so we can get the day rolling. Cut it. That's a lot looser than I like. Alright, so we got the carb on. It's time to go see if this thing's gonna run. Sounds like the idle needs a little adjustment, but it's running pretty good. So we'll get to showing you the idle adjustment here in a second. So we finally got the idle right. Took a little research. Now we're going to finish up the door seals and we'll take it for a spin. And we'll move on to the next job. Driving good so far. Up the temp, door seals are working. Feels good on power. Smooth. Still got a little bit of a leak in the door. So far it's seeming successful. So I think we're going to deem this one good. If we don't blow up, catch on fire, or wreck it on the way home. Totally didn't evaluate that truck. So we're gonna get back, probably either gonna put the sign up or start on Grandma's car. Alright, we finally got the sign up. There's a lot of improvements to be made to the sign. Number one, cleaning it. Number two, she's a little flimsy. I'm not gonna demonstrate it because if it falls, I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. That over there, that truck has decided it wants to overheat now. Don't know why. Can't tell you why. And we found a little bit of an oil puddle under it. So this still has more work to come. And either this is going to be the end of the video or I'm about to go work on Grandma's car and video. Haven't decided yet. But I guess you'll find out before I do. Okay, so Grandma has been complaining that she's hearing a lot of clacking, just do-do-do-do, as she goes down the road. So I figured it might be sway bars, but it's worse than that. If you take a look right here on this lower ball joint, hell, I might not even need that. Nope, I will. You see that? no good. So that's probably not going to be in a video. But that's what ball joints do when they go bad. So we're going to have to press that out. It's not going to happen today. We're done for the day. Hopefully this makes 10 minutes of video because I'm tired. So I guess I'll see y'all on the next one.